Hi, I'm Miki Tamifuna, and I wanted to thank you for watching my previous shorts, Frequently Asked series. I appreciate you guys being here. With the spring market around the corner, this week, we're diving into something big: how to sell your home and the prep you should be doing before you ever hit the market. Most sellers think it starts with a sign in the yard. It doesn't. It starts with strategy. This week, I'm walking you through the planning phase that can impact your price, your timeline, and your stress level. So let's get into it. Before you list your home, you need a timing strategy. And I don't mean guessing. I mean looking at current inventory, days on market, buyer demand, interest rate trends. Spring is busy, but busy doesn't automatically mean better. When you work with me, you'll look at a calendar and consider your overall moving timeline. Where are you moving and when do you need to be there? Strategic timing can mean stronger offers and better leverage. Before you talk about listing, you need to understand your equity. How much do you owe? What are your estimated closing costs? And what you realistically net. Because selling isn't just about price, it's about proceeds. If you're moving up, downsizing, or investing, your equity is your power, and you need clear numbers before making decisions. Prep starts with math. I'll provide an estimated net sheet, and we'll discuss your numbers before we move forward. What's the biggest mistake sellers make? Waiting for the buyer's inspection to find problems. Instead, I like to walk the home strategically before you list your home. We'll look at deferred maintenance, safety issues, visual distractions, easy cosmetic wins. Small improvements can protect your negotiating power later. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is strategic leverage. Not all improvements are equal. Repairs protect your value, but upgrades may not always return your value. New roof, that's protection, but a luxury remodel right before selling, that may not be necessary. Before you spend money, you need a return on investment conversation. I'll walk you through those items in your home that need attention before you spend any money. We'll create a plan that works for you and your budget and your potential return on investment. What's the biggest mistake sellers make before listing their home? They forget to clean. The best thing you can do for your bottom line is clean. Start with the 4 Ds: depersonalize, declutter, deep clean, and design. And the bonus D is in the details. When your home feels clean, light, and move-in ready, buyers compete, and competition is what drives the price. Pricing is not picking a number you like. It is positioning. Are we driving multiple offers, testing the market, pricing to create urgency? Overpricing can cost you momentum. Underpricing without a strategy will cost you money. The right price is part psychology, part data, and part timing. We'll discuss your price based on your neighborhood, your home, and your timeline before it is active on the market. Thank you for watching this short series on how to sell your home with a focus on prep. Next week, we'll talk about marketing your home. Please remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.